Hi, welcome to a complete course in calculus. This is Tedessa. In this tutorial, we'll see the mean value theorem and how to find the related rate, or in short, the implicit differentiation whenever you have more than one dependent variable. So the first example, as you can see, it says for a function f of x equal to x squared on the interval negative 6, 1, we want to determine whether the mean value theorem can be applied. If so, find the value of c if possible. All right, so what is mean value theorem? Mean value theorem says for a function f of x equal to x squared on the interval, what was the interval? On the interval negative 6, 1. Negative 6, 1. So mean value theorem says if this function is continuous, is this continuous? Yes, it's a quadratic function, it's continuous. And if it is differentiable, what is it? Sorry, what is the derivative? The derivative is 2x. Yeah, it's differentiable. It's differentiable everywhere. In particular, it's differentiable on the open interval negative 6, 1, and this guy is continuous on the closed interval negative 6, 1. And mean value theorem says with this condition, if this is true, then it says there is c, a number c, where between negative 6 and 1, such that the derivative at c equal to the value of the function at 1 minus the value of the function at 6 divided by 1 minus 6. So this is nothing, this side is nothing but the slope of the second line. This part is nothing but the slope of the tangent line. So in short, it's saying that the tangent line and the second line, which pass through negative 6 and 1, you know, negative 6 f of negative 6, 1 f of 1, they are parallel. That's what it means. Okay, so we know now it exists because continuous differentiable is true. Now, what is the derivative of the function at c? I showed you here already. The derivative is 2x. So at c it will be 2c equal to, what is the value of the function at 1? At 1 it's 1 squared, which is 1, minus the value at negative 6. Negative 6 squared is 36 divided by 1 minus 6 is what? 7. So this will give me 14. If I multiply both sides by 7, 14c equal to negative 35. So the value of, I believe I am right. So the value of c is negative 35 over 14. So I can simplify this by 7. 7, this is 5, right? By 7, this is 2, which is negative 5 over 2, which is nothing but negative 2.5. So is negative 2.5 between negative 6 and 1? Yes, of course. So that should be the number c guaranteed by the mean value theorem. Mean value theorem. All right. Let's see another example. The next example says, you know, finding the derivative of y with respect to t. So keep in mind here, even if this is implicit expression, we have now both x and y are differentiable functions of t. So x is also playing as the role of y, the dependent variable. That is very important, okay? So here I have two dependent variables, which is x and y. The independent variable is t. So the question is, we want to find, part A says, we want to find the derivative of y with respect to t when x is 6, y is 8, and dx by dt is what? 8. So let's do that. So the next example here, I have x squared plus y squared equal to 100. So, you know, just to precise, x stands for x of t, y stands for y of t. They are functions of t. That's very important, okay? So let's find the derivative using implicit differentiation. The derivative of this guy is what? 2x x prime plus 2y y prime equal to 0. Now let's just plug in. For part A, you are given x equal to 6, y equal to 8, x prime equal to 8. You just plug it there. 2 times 6 times 8 plus 2 times y is 8, y prime equal to 0. So I can divide both sides by 8, I can divide both sides by 2. So what is left? Y prime is -6. That's what the answer is going to be. And B is the same thing. So here you are given x equal to 8, right? X equal to 8, y equal to 6, y prime equal to -4. So we want to find x prime. So I don't have to do anything else. Just replace here with the given information. So it will be 2 times x is 8, x prime plus 2 times y is 6, y prime is, I believe it's -4, equal to 0. So the 2 cancels out. 4, this is 2, and then I have here 3. So because it's a minus, it goes, so x prime equal to 3. That's what the final answer is going to be. And then let's see if I have, yep, that's it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.